Here is Weedemark's 25 watt RGBW light engine. This light engine has 8 3-watt LEDs, 2 red, 2 blue, 2 green, and 2 white. When using it for a star ceiling application, you can have just white stars, color changing stars, or single color stars. Each light engine comes with a Twinkle wheel already installed, a compression coupler for fiber, a 12 watt power supply, and a RF remote. You can control the speed of the Twinkle wheel using the dip switches on the side of the illuminator. There is also a dimming screw to control the dimming on the side. With the RF remote, you can turn on and off the light engine, toggle between the 8 levels of dimming, and select a static color for the light engine to stay on.